Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with After a week of explosions, kuthiwa kunama Illuminati in the industry, kuthiwa kunama gay, kuthiwa nje akubhadalwana, and ama-allegations onke lawa. And ama-allegations wakhona were pointed straight to bambiza ngobani? uGoodman? Yeah. Maphorisa, DJ Maphorisa. After all this drama, Ifemeli released a statement, and after releasing his statement, he came back with TikTok and also Instagram, posted Lucy, thanks for love and support, really appreciate it. Honestly, guys, they thought ukuthi uTebogo Njengobeka in Nigeria, maybe he saw some things of Momelanga Asbone or Udlela Tushot Mona, or he was angry that Tushot told him ukuthi unengoma ewan edumile, and he's trying by all means ukulingana noPhori ukuzenza ibosi yabo and stuff. Cha guys, ujima sho ukuthi mabuya vele crash house crash house vele from Nigeria. Makabuya la South Africa ngitshela wena my life, left, right, and center. He was live, and it ended up where police had to take him for detention. And this guy is always around Abantwana. The things he was doing, threatening Abantwana, my illegal gun allegedly. So I think it was good for Ifemeli to take him, but certainly for a day. And then Matkotilo Wakunda guy, and he came back and apologized to the public. I don't think he apologized to one of a celebrity that he dragged. And so many celebrities were so dragged, guys. And all of them, we're too old to answer this, but bonke better baphendula. Akekho uhlalile wangasanga aphendula athi, let me make myself a bigger person because ngimdala nakulo muntu lo. Everyone answered. Abotos wakhipha amalo namabhandi ukuthi akhombise. Umuntu kalimeke wakhuluma. Yo, guys, everything that happened, like kwakhulunywa kabi ngo-DJ Kari. Yo guys, it was a lot nje. But let's hope ufundile isifundo sakhe and he's healed and he knows ukuthi angathinta bani next time for such things, yabo. As ukuthi if ever mbadalanga, he can take DJ Maphorisa a court or whatever, as long as any contracts and all. Ayekele lento ayenzile. He's still a child. Like 123. He's still a child. Usazoba nawo ama-chance. Like guys, akupheleli la, let's be honest. Indaba kaPhori yona shem guys, I don't know ukuthi ngithini ngayazi. DJ Maphorisa shem, you can't, awukwazi ukumvikela guys. Everyone always has a story with DJ Maphorisa, and we don't know what's going to happen. Let's hope he learned from this one and he will fix his mistakes. Indaba yama-Illuminati nani guys, asazi, but people ku-TikTok bayahlanganisa ukuthi in Scorpion Kings, hey, concerts, hey. Oh guys, it's a lot. What are your thoughts on this? Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.